Hey everybody, went to Walmart for shopping and figured, hey, might as well make a video on here of the Halloween stuff since I showed you guys this a while ago, but it wasn't quite set up yet. I'm gonna get a content ID claim. I bought a cookie cutter like this last year, but it had a face on it. So you cut it out the cookie, spun it around, pushed down, and made a little face. But then, of course, you put icing on it. So it's a cool idea, but didn't really think it through, did I? It's a bloody good idea. Check out these little cake pans. $0.98 for an ice cube tray that looks like little brains. Well, the ice cubes would. And for $3.54, you can get this ice cube tray, which will make skull-shaped ice cubes. Put it in alcohol to remind you that that stuff will kill you. Here for $1.98, there are 4 drink bags. You can fill them up, kind of like what they have at Halloween Horror Nights. Yeah, I miss it too. Only 98 cents for this soft soap. It says Pranking Piglet. So it smells like a pig? Does it smell like bacon, maybe? Huh? $2 for these. A little bit more expensive. No brand name on them either, but they are cute. When Brian and I used to come up here for a Halloween Horror Nights, I bought something like this for the hotel. I don't like bar soap. $1.54. Check out these window clings. That's cool. Look, only $13. Used to be $16.96, or $1.54. I'm gonna go with $1.54. Hey, Butthead, if you buy 2 of these, you can add an extra bean, so he'll say boob. Worst Beavis impression ever. Okay, good job. Oh yes, the dog costumes. Used to always be opposed to these things, till I found a costume that fit my then service dog, and it was a minion, and I brought it to Halloween Horror Nights during the day. Don't have any pictures of that anymore, because that's the one that was stolen. And of course, makeup. Ooh, glow-in-the-dark makeup. That sounds safe. Toothsome. I know, it's just steampunk. Ghostface looks good. Only $4.98 or $9.97, which is obviously wrong. More chocolate, and yes, I see that Christmas crap over there, but at least they keep it separate. It still shouldn't be up in October, but at least it's separate. Okay, for a scary, creepy clown, he looks pretty happy. Ooh. Wow.
Clowns can make dreams come true, but I'm your worst nightmare.
No, I'm pretty sure I've had worse.
I just love to make balloon animals, but I'm the one that's really twisted.
And they're only $19.97. For a long time I wanted green hair. I had it sort of for Halloween Horror Nights in '99, but the person who dyed my hair, I told her I wanted the really vibrant hair like she has, and she bleached it. I looked in the mirror, I could barely tell. Bought one of these, and it didn't really work, but man, it got over everything. Well, this one's interesting, isn't it? I don't think it actually does anything, it's just decoration. And of course, glow sticks and other shapes of the same idea. Glasses that don't actually do anything to glow. Lots of bracelets. These are always a favorite of people who go through houses and are too scared. And some accessories as well. $2.98 for this bloody mache. Not sure how that's at all realistic, but okay. Ten glow sticks for 98 cents is a pretty good deal. So that's we're going to wrap it up for this return trip to Walmart for Halloween stuff in 4K. This is supposed to be. Thanks for watching this video all the way through, and please exit to the gift shop.